Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to download Python on your home machine in order to run the Python scripts. To begin, open a web browser and search for Anaconda. Anaconda is the open distribution in order to run Python. Now search it and click on the installation link. And now I'm running on Windows, so I will be downloading it in Windows. Alright, now to determine what version of the Anaconda distribution you need, search about on your PC and you can find your system settings. And we can see here we're running Windows 64-bit, so we need to download the 64-bit version of Anaconda. Alright, my Anaconda has finished downloading. Now I will launch the prompt and go through the process. Click next. I agree. Just for me. Now select what folder you want to download it on. I'll just leave it at the default, but if you want a different one, you're more than welcome to search and find where you want to be downloaded. Alright, just keep the default options. Register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.8. Alright, my Anaconda has finished downloading, so I'm just going to click next, next again, and I'm going to unselect these two options because we will manually launch Jupyter notebooks in order to run the Python scripts. Now click finish, and to run the Python script you can type Jupyter in your search bar and it should open up, and there we go.